Hi, this is Paul from Cheap Phone Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Motorola Moto G6 Play. Okay, so I need an Android phone, and this was £150 in Argos. You can get it for around about 140 through Carphone Warehouse. Yeah, it's but you have to get it on pay-as-you-go, where this was SIM-free. Okay, so it's got a 5.7-inch HD Plus display, 1.4 gigahertz, 3 gig of RAM, 4,000 milliamp battery. Okay, so this has got basically the same battery as, say, a Note 9 power-wise. So we're gonna that'll be interesting. 13 megapixel back camera, and I believe it's an 8 megapixel front camera. Okay, let's get into it and see what we got. I'm really quite interested in this, you know, because especially with that 400 milliamp battery. Ooh. Wow, it's nice. Nice. Okay. All right, we'll put the phone to the side and see what else we get. Nice bit of card. Oh, very well done. Some manuals. Read me. Wow, actually a manual. And then we have a SIM opener. Very nice, could need that. And then some other instructions in a different language, I believe. Right, 3.5 plug. There you go. And it's turbo powered as well, so this must charge pretty quick. Yeah. Okay. And then we have a USB 2. I don't know if it's Type C. It's not. I'm surprised I haven't done that. It's USB to micro USB, which is yeah, surprising. USB-C. That is it. Okay. Right, yo. Ah, the cover. Do you know what? I see in the front of it, it said free cover. So obviously that is your free cover that's on there now, which is pretty cool. Take that off. It's like a plastic rubber surround. Oh, do you know what? That is nice. That is nice. I don't think it's glass. I may be wrong. It might be. It is very shiny. So you've got your camera and your flash at the back, and I believe this is the fingerprint sensor, I believe. Well, I'm assuming that's what it is anyway, but we're going to have a look at that. Yeah, very nice. Obviously, there's no battery what I need to take out or anything like that. But yeah, that is what it is. We've got volume up and down there, and you've got power button, 3.5 headphone jack, nothing on that side, and then you got your micro USB charging point down there. I can't actually see. I'm gonna have a look. Yep, we've got a mic there as well. There's a mic just sitting here. Yeah, and then obviously speaker, front facing camera. Oh, a flash on the front. Is that a flash? I don't know. It might be. We'll have to have a look. It can also take up to 250 gig memory card. 250 gig memory card. That's mental, isn't it? Yeah, I'm just looking forward to the battery and seeing what it can do. Nice size screen. Oh, do you know what? I do like that. I'm chuffed with that for that money. Hopefully, it's going to be a good performer. Let's turn it on. Hopefully. Oh, nice bright screen. Yeah, I like that. So obviously, I am going to do a review on this as well. So if you're interested in this phone, I want to use it for a bit and then do a review on it and see what it's like. Basically, this was just literally an unboxing to see what you get in the box. And I think it's quite cool that they give you a case, which is handy. There you go, running through some Moto. Hello, Moto. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to set this up, and then I will see you in a few days for a full review on it, because I'm going to smash the granny out of it, because this is going to be my YouTube phone now. So basically, I use my 10S for my shop, and then I use this for all the YouTube stuff. So this will be running quite a lot of the day, basically, through messaging and stuff like that. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up. The sub button's down below. Subscribe if you're not already, and yeah, give the video. Yeah, say what you think of it just by looking at it. I think it looks quite nice, but let's get some feedback. See you soon.